In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 3 simple and very beautiful Christmas DIYs that I made for this holiday season. Hey sweet people, welcome to my channel once again and welcome if you are new here and for the very first time. I'm Kshitij and I make all things crafty, DIY and home decor projects and lifestyle videos. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and show some love. It helps my channel grow, and as I keep bringing to you simple and beautiful and budget friendly DIY ideas for your home. This video is part of a challenge hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy, and she is such an inspiration. Check out her channel and all the other creators on the playlist mentioned in the description box below. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm making a no-sew cushion with the words ho 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 on top using just felt fabric and some yarn. Firstly, I cut 2 pieces of red felt fabric and put them together, and then I measured the fabric keeping a cushion in the center and marked 2 inches from each side. Once I marked 2 inches on all sides, I started cutting the ends like so. I put both the felt fabrics on top of each other and then started cutting, keeping 1 inch gap in between into slits. Then I folded each section into half and made a slit right in the center on all the 4 sides of the cushion. Then using a crochet hook, I started tying the sections together. I took the first section and from there, from the inside, I took the hook and pulled the next section to the other side, from inside to the other side. It looks a little difficult, but it is very easy, and we just need to ensure that each of the sections that is tied into a knot is tight enough. We just need to take the first section and run the crochet hook from the inside, pull the next section to the other side. Similarly, I kept making knots on all the 3 sides in the same fashion. Before tying the 4th side, I inserted a cushion inside and smoothed out all the creases, and then I weaved the 4th side too. Once the last of the section was complete, then I tied both the ends and tucked inside. side is also done. This is how the cushion looks. Now to dress it up, I cut 3/8 sides on white felt fabric and glued them onto the cushion. For the letter O, I made 3 pom-poms using white yarn and then glued them next to the letter H. Haircut to the pom-pom to make it look more fluffy, and then I glued all the 3 pom-poms next to the letter H. I glued the letter H and the pom-pom using fabric glue. If you want, you can glue them using hot glue, and also you can sew it, but since it's a no sew project, I just used fabric glue. Cushion is ready and it looks just gorgeous. I'm loving the traditional white and red on my black sofa, and it lifts up the holiday vibe in my decor. Next DIY is the simplest, and it hardly took half an hour to complete. I took a sturdy wire and twisted it into a spiral fashion to make it look like a Christmas tree. And then when the shape was perfect, I started inserting wooden beads into the wire like so. That you want for this project. Even pearls of different colors would look gorgeous. Once done, I painted the beads with white acrylic paint. You can obviously spray paint them too, and finally I glued a white star on top. And this is how my beaded Christmas tree looks, all in white. And I also tried making a gold Christmas vignette for the tabletop using a little candle, some golden pigs, some Christmas decor, and little golden reindeers. This is how my DIY beaded Christmas tree and Christmas vignette looks. It looks absolutely amazing and gorgeous. For the last DIY, I made felt stockings, and I took 2 pieces of red felt fabric and put them on top of each other. Then I sketched the stocking shape using freehand and cut it out. Using hot glue, and then turned the stocking inside out to hide all the glue and to make all the ends seamless. After turning the stocking inside out, to properly give shape to the stocking, I put my hand inside and fluffed it up from all the corners. I glued a piece of fur on top of the stocking along with some pom-pom balls. To add a little more personalized touch, I put some gold letter stickers to spell our names. And after I added our names, I took a piece of yarn and made a little loop and then hot glued it on the inside to hang the stockings. Stocking is ready and it looks super cute, and I hung them up over my TV along with some starlights. Let me know which out of the 3 was your favorite, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my channel. The next video is something unique and coming very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.